In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Zelle online using the 2025 guide. If you've ever encountered issues with Zelle, which is a popular digital payment network, and you need to get in touch with customer support, scheduling an appointment for help can make the process smoother and less stressful. So let's break down how you can effectively request assistance, either through your bank or directly with Zelle. The first thing you'll want to do is to reach out to your bank or credit union's customer support. Start by heading over to the bank's website or your banking app. Look for their customer service or support section. Once there, initiate a conversation through their messaging or chat feature. Clearly explain that you need assistance with an issue related to Zelle, and ask whether someone could give you a call back at a convenient time for you. Many banks offer a service where you can schedule a callback or pick a time window for a support call. This method can often prove to be more effective since the bank will have direct access to your Zelle-linked account information and can address your issue more efficiently. Now, if you're looking to contact Zelle directly, and especially if you're using the standalone Zelle app, there are several ways you can reach out. You can call Zelle's customer support line at the most commonly recommended number. Be sure to check the current details on their website or through your app. Alternatively, you might prefer to use the online support form on Zelle's official website to describe your issue. Generally, you can expect a response within about 2 business days. Some sources also suggest emailing their customer service if you can find a verified email address, such as customerservice@zellepay.com, but keep in mind that response times for emails can vary. Lastly, Zelle's website offers support via their contact support or help center pages where you might find relevant information or additional ways to contact them. To increase your chances of getting timely help, try to reach out during Zelle's regular support hours, often reported as 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, ensure that you provide detailed information about your issue. Mention the email or phone number linked to your Zelle account, your bank's name, and a description of the problem. Don't forget to ask for a reference ticket number during your conversation. This number is crucial for following up on your issue later. If, at any point, the first contact is unable to schedule a proper appointment for you, don't hesitate to request escalation by asking to speak to a supervisor or higher level support. By following these steps, you're equipped to handle any complications that might arise when using Zelle. I hope this guide helps you feel more prepared and confident in managing your online payment challenges. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.